ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, and exactly this is what we get. But the way was reversing is really corrective, and no one see what's the next. Even there was opportunity to look for buy. If we put our fib here based on 27%, is 1.65, almost 2 times price was in that range, but it just couldn't break. This is where I take out the trade, okay? And no one see what's the next. Whether still we can look for continuation or not, okay? First, we move to higher time frame, want to see how we have been looking for the chart. If we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the flat and we want to see one move up. That's why I explained that we can expect this one turn to a deeper move. And beside that, we mentioned if this is the only flat and the price is going to drop, we can look for one. But I mentioned I'm more interested to look for reversal. As we can see, the price reverse, but not really sharp. No one see what's the next. Okay, because I was expecting the price reverse similar to what we have here. If we get this kind of the movement, mostly the price could retest on the top, which is 1.9. Okay, and this is what we have been looking for. If I put my lines here and the another one here. Okay, now still I want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. If the price continue as a corrective move, we cannot get a really good trade setup. Any trade will be a short term. We have been looking for this kind of the reversal, which we didn't get. Okay, but the way it's reversing is very corrective, and since the price haven't broke the previous low, which is, if I put my line here around 1.33, still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction for bigger internal correction for price to drop. That's why we need to know about the second possibility, and if we want to look for buy within this range, as a, if it continue as a corrective move, we consider as a short term. Okay, and if I move to 1 hour chart, right now I'm looking at this. I want to see I get one move up or not. If I get any trade setup for buy within this range as a short term, I will take it, and with the breakout of the top, I will start to manage. Mostly if we want to look for trade, we have to trade based on lower time frame. Maybe even we don't get the trade setup, and if we see the price start to continue as a corrective move, this is where we can expect this one turn to a deeper move or reverse. But if we want to look for sell, the best thing is we put this one as a flat. We get one move up with the breakout of the top. If we see is not, I mean, the price cannot continue and cannot break this zone, then from there mostly we can look for divergence, and any sell from there can make sense for us. Okay, and that's me right now. We put our line here and we're looking at this flat. We just put it like this. It's not really good the way it's forming, but just as an indicative, we can put it like this. At least we know what we are looking for. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop from here, but we don't have any trade setup for seller yet. We need to see what we get here. And as I mentioned, if we want to look for sell, if we see there one move up with the breakout of the previous top, then from there we can refer to the indicators. But right now, even if the price drop, maybe it's not the one is going to retest the previous low. We are more interested in the up move, not rather than the down move. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.